Forecast in the Ozarks.
Well, after a long, cool week of weather, things are about to get real warm. In fact, they started getting warm today. Temperatures topping out at 80 degrees here in Springfield under sunny skies. Beautiful day across the area. Temperatures right now flirting with 80 in most spots, if not at 80 degrees, like Springfield, Ava, as well as Fort Leonard Wood. These temperatures running about 10 degrees warmer than the same time yesterday. And the warming trend is going to continue into Wednesday. Right now, again, very quiet across the region. We do have a cold front on the map. This one's washing out, though, right now. There will be another front that will approach the area on Wednesday. So we stay south of that front. Winds remain out of the west to southwest. So we've seen a lot of warm air already get blown into the area. Even more is going to get blown into the area. And tomorrow looks even warmer than today. That cold front looks like it will continue to slowly edge a little further south toward I-70 as we push through Thursday, but it too will wash out across the area. What you'll notice, though, is it looks like there will be a little bit more cloud cover moving into areas at least south of the interstate. It looks like temperatures also on Thursday will be just a bit cooler than what we experience on Wednesday. So let's talk about those temperatures. And it looks like for tonight, as we've seen with the highs, we're seeing those overnight lows also getting warmer and warmer night over night. Temperatures tonight should settle out in the mid 50s. Looks like about 56 here in Springfield. Highs tomorrow up around 87 degrees. Our average high this time of the year is in the low 70s. So this is way above what you should expect for early October. That'll come with winds out of the west-southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow night looks generally clear across the area with temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 50s, about 58 for a low here in Springfield, and then highs on Thursday, and that should say Thursday. Looks like they will top out in the low to mid 80s south of the interstate and in the middle 80s north of the interstate. I think we get up to about 84 here in Springfield. Down in the western Caribbean, yet another big hurricane. This is Hurricane Delta, and this storm has really ramped up in intensity here over the last 24 hours. Winds are at 145 miles per hour. It's moving west-northwest. Looking at the storm, you can't really pick out where the eye is. You can see where the center is, but it's hard to pick out where the eye is because that eye is so small. It's only about 4 to 5 miles in diameter. Typically, with a hurricane, they're about 20 miles in diameter. And that very small eye is playing a role in the very strong wind speeds that we're finding with this storm. It will continue to move towards the northern tip of the Yucatan Peninsula here over the next 12 to 24 hours, and then from there into the Gulf of Mexico. Where does it go from there? Well, we've got some steering currents in place. We've got a ridge of high pressure here located east of Florida. We've got a trough of low pressure here located in Texas, and that is going to tend to want to funnel this storm late this week and through this upcoming weekend toward Louisiana and then to the northeast. So here's the forecast track, again, across the Yucatan Peninsula, then it moves into the Gulf of Mexico by Thursday. Looks like it will maintain major hurricane status as it approaches the coastline of Louisiana. Probably weakens a bit, but maintains major hurricane status. And then from there, it should make its way northeast across Mississippi over the weekend into Tennessee late in the weekend. For us locally, very little impact on our weather except to throw a little bit more moisture our way. So we should see a bit more cloud cover Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And maybe toward areas like Mountain Home and Poplar Bluff and maybe even West Plains and Eminence, a very slight chance for isolated afternoon showers. I think the better chance for our area to see any wet weather will come early next week as a storm moves into the middle of the country. Should be a fairly strong storm. The question is, will it generate storms? And if it does, given the wind energy, we'll have to watch out for the potential of stronger thunderstorm activity. But as it stands right now, rain chances look a bit iffy with that cold front as it moves through. It does look like it will cool off a bit, though, behind that front for Tuesday.
You know, the mornings right now are just beautiful. I was down on one of the Greenway trails today, just packed with people.
That's one thing I've heard all day today is everybody's just saying how nice it is outside.
Very
and
nice.
It is.
All right, Jamie, thanks. On the way here at 5